You want to create content but don't know where to begin? I got you. Okay, friend, I know what you are thinking. You are neither a content creator nor a marketer, so how the heck are you supposed to create content on social media as a beginner? To help you out, this episode is about the 3 easy steps that you can take to start creating content, even if you are completely new to social media marketing. And these are the steps that I used to implement when I started as a social media manager, and I still implement them today in my business. So I hope it will be helpful to you. And without further ado, let's talk. Hi, bestie, and welcome to this new episode of Her Online Business Podcast, the podcast for ambitious expat girl bosses and digital nomads. I'm Adama, your host, and my mission is to help you build a business that serves your life and not the other way around, have more freedom, work smarter while making a positive impact. And before we jump into today's topic, I want you to get my free personal branding crash course. This is for complete beginners who want to start promoting their services on social media. So inside of this course, you will get a 20-minute training on personal branding. I will tell you what it is and how you can start creating your own personal brand aesthetic for social media. And you will also get 7-day content ideas to actually help you take action and have at least 1 week of content ready. So claim access to your course right now via the link in the description of this episode and let me know afterward what you thought about it. Okay, so the first step you have to take before you even think about creating your social media profile is to identify your targeted audience and ideal client. Basically, who do you want to serve with your services? And you have to actually pick a client avatar because it is important that you stand out right away on social media, and chances are the services that you are offering, somebody else is offering them already. So the way you can stand out from your competition is to find your own niche and describe your ideal client to a T so that you know exactly how to address their pain points, how to help them solve them, and you don't have to drill down very deep to actually define your client avatar, and it can also evolve in the future. But basically saying, I want to serve female entrepreneurs is too vague. You won't be able to have a real content strategy if you try to target such a broad audience. First exercise for you, take a piece of paper and describe your targeted audience. Second step, now that you know who you want to serve, is to define your content pillars. So basically, your content pillars are the topics in which you are an expert in. So you have to ask yourself, what should your ideal client know about in order to solve the issues that you described in the previous step? What are you good at and what is the particular expertise that you want to market on social media? So here you have to think about your strengths, but also about the core of your business. So for example, if you are a web designer, your expertise is creating websites. If you are a graphic designer, you might be somebody who creates templates for Instagram or who specialized in logo creation, for example. So you have to write down the different expertise that you want to be known for. So your content pillars should be 3 to 5 general topics that you can address throughout your content with ease and that you can talk about for hours, because the goal is to always stay within these 3 to 5 topics when you create your content, instead of trying to address too many different topics at once or only talking about the things that you personally like but that don't help your ideal client right now. The third step is to define your subcategories. So within your content pillars, define 3 to 5 subcategories that will allow you to break down these pillars into bite-sized, valuable content for your ideal client. And then all you have to do is to define for each day the type of subcategory that you are going to address in your content. So let's say you want to post 3 times a week on social media. You have 3 content pillars, and within each content pillars, you have also 3 subcategories. What you can do on week 1, for example, is on Tuesday, post about the subcategory 1 in content pillar 1. On Wednesday, post about subcategory 2 in content pillar 2. And then on Thursday, let's say that you are going to talk about subcategory 1 inside content pillar 3. So that's how you can start dispatching your different subcategories and have a clear content strategy that will be the same every single week. Only the topic week will vary, but basically you will stay within your zone of comfort and your zone of expertise. So that's why this is super powerful and also super easy for everybody to implement. So I want you to start doing these 3 easy steps for your content strategy and let me know in the comments how it is going, because I know if you apply that, it will help you a lot and you will stop feeling like an imposter on social media because you finally have your content strategy, something that works and that is super easy to implement. So let me know in the comments. And I have a bonus tip for you. Review your analytics once a month. So at the end of each month, I want you to go through your data to see what has worked, the type of content that is performing well, and the content that you can improve so that you can readjust your strategy month after month. And as your audience grows, you will get more data to look out in order to improve and really take your place as an expert in your particular niche on social media. And then that's it. You have to try and learn and do the best you can. And as always, staying consistent is the key here. And it is a long game, not a quick win kind of strategy. And that's how you are going to see tremendous results. So that's how you will be able to gain momentum and build your audience strategically and having clients coming to you thanks to your amazing content. So there's no magic trick here, but if you are ready to build your personal brand and to have your ideal client coming to you thanks to your content instead of chasing them, then I want you to get my free course, Brand Your Socials, where you will get a training on personal branding as well as a week worth of content ideas for any niche, and it is for complete beginners. So get it right now for free. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Alright, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, share it with a friend who needs an effective and easy content strategy right now. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.